Hello everyone, welcome to LMT Labs. In this video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic that is called type hints, okay, in Python. So to understand this concept, first of all, you should have the latest version of Python. So if you have the version Python is, if you have the latest version 3.13.0, it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. In my case, I have 3.14.0. Okay, so let me tell you that what is the type hints and what is the need of type hints in Python. So I'm just going to tell you this concept with an example, with the help of an example. Like I'm going to declare a function, okay, which is taking two arguments, add function, very simple functions I'm taking, which is taking two arguments, A and B, and just returning the addition of these values, okay. So if I want to call it, like I can call it like that, 1 and 2, and if I want to, concrete or addition of two string value, I can do it very easily like that one, okay. So here you can see in the add functions, I'm passing two integer argument, and in the second line, I'm passing two string variables, okay. If I want to run this, I can run it very easily. I have to write this command, py typehints.py. Here you can see this is the 3 and hello world. But in some cases, okay, you want to do the addition of the integer variable, but somehow any other developer, okay, like you have created a function and another developer is passing the string variable, okay, then it will give a runtime error, okay. So to prevent this, Python provide a new concept that is called type hints. So it means whenever you are creating a variable, you can declare the data type. Whenever you are passing the function arguments, you can set the data types. Whenever you are returning some value in a function, then you can set the data type. So how we can set it? Let me show you. I'm going to create a new function with type hints. Here I'm taking add numbers, okay, and in this signature we can create a function. Here you can see this is the add number functions, which is taking two arguments, and these are integer arguments only. Here you can see how we can create it after the colon value. Okay, you are declaring a variable. This is the variable name. Then you have to set the colon. Then you need to declare the data type. And this is also working. Okay, the same way. I mean, v is a variable name and integer is a data type. And after this lambda expression, it is returning the integer. Okay, so it means that this function will return the integer variables only. Okay, how we can check it? Like add numbers 1 and 2. Okay, so it will work. Now what I'm going to do, I'm taking two string arguments and passing in this add number functions. Okay, so here you can see this is coming automatically. This will not raise an error at runtime, but it is not type safe. Okay, it type safe nahi hai. If I rerun the command, same command, okay, py typehints.com, then you can see, py, then you can see that I'm getting the same result. Okay, so what is the mean of using this integer type here? Okay, now I'm going to tell you one thing. If you are working in a company and you are deploying your code into the production, before deploying the code into the production, first of all, we have to check the code. Okay, so Python provides us a particular tool that is called MyPy, which is very much popular. So first of all, with the help of that particular tool, we have to test our code, that is as per the expectation or not. So how we can check it or how we can install it? First of all, you need to run a command pip install. Okay, you have to install the tool. Then you need to write MyPy. In my case, in my system, that is already installed. So here you can see it is showing requirement already satisfied. Otherwise, in your case, you need to install or you need to run this command and it will automatically install the MyPy in your system. Okay, once it is installed, now you need to test your code with the help of MyPy. Okay, you need to write the file name typehints.py. Then you can see you are getting the error. Okay, it's giving the error. And what is the error? Argument 1 to add numbers has incompatible type str expected integer. Okay, so it will not work. Now what I'm going to do, I make it comment. Okay, now rerun the command. Here you can see the success, no issues found in one source file. Remember one thing, MyPy is just a code checker tool. Okay, it is not the debugger. It is not executing your code. Okay, if you want to run your code, then you need to run this command py typehints.py. Here you can see that you can see the output. I hope you understand this concept, and please, if you understand and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.